We've made it here to Vegas. We are at the Palazzo once again. This is usually our go-to hotel because it kind of goes with our style and it's big. The suites are great for families. So let me just pan around here. There's my family putting away their stuff. We have a really nice view this time around. I will show you what we can see. Not too shabby. What is this? So that's the Wynn, okay. And a bunch of their pools. Or no, I think that's the Venetian pools, yeah? Mm-hmm. Or no, it's not. And then I don't know what buildings these are, but they have that cool, like, I don't know what it is, but that's a really cool building. So, but yes, we are in Vegas. That must be a golf course right there. And then it's a nice waterfall. Here we are at Fremont Street. At the request of my daughter, she wanted to visit because of all the cool lights. And as you can see here, that was a vision canopy. Fremont Street is situated on a 6-block stretch of road and is the second most popular street in Vegas, other than the Strip, of course. Fremont is free, but there are some activities there that you would have to pay for, like the Slotzilla zip line, which we will feature here in a bit. There's a bunch of live performers, dancing bartenders, casinos, of course, and just all types of people. What? I know, he told me. So our eldest son just turned 21, and for part of his birthday trip package, we wanted to get him a something fun for him to do. So we got him a spot on the zip line. We were actually waiting down there for half an hour or so just to get some footage of him. But here's one that he took himself.
Here we go, boys. 21. Oh my God. Oh my God. Why? Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh! Oh my God! Woo! 21, baby.
we are at the X-Pot. This is probably one of the most expensive restaurants we've ever been, but the food is worth it. They have seafood and Wagyu beef flown in daily from Japan. It's a very moody, sexy interior. It has a room as well that you can rent that has HD 360 projections, thematic soundscapes, as well as a light show on your dinner plate. It's something that I believe has opened up just recently, according to the waitress, but everything is such a performance. I don't know how else to describe it, but we had an like a noodle show, noodle dance, if you will. I'm not sure what the correct term is, but that was a feature that they had on the menu, as well as robots serving us our food. We had live people, of course, but robots would come around as well, bringing in platters as well as the birthday treats for the kids. So they also had these cocktail fusions that were super tasty. It did not disappoint at all. The menu is a little bit complicated to order from, but your waitress or waiter, whoever is serving you, they're always glad to help if you're confused about something.
We have A5 Wagyu chuck short rib and beef tongue. Your server will come back and grill these two, so don't worry about those. Filet mignon sushi with wasabi, you may eat that like sushi. One bite in the middle also has wasabi with black caviar. You may eat that like sushi as well. The bottom pieces, that's chuck tender with uni, goes in the hot pot 10 seconds.
Okay, thank you. I know what some of you all are thinking, oh my gosh, look at all this raw meat. But if you couldn't tell by the name of the restaurant, the X-Pot, it basically serves hot pot. And so basically what that is you're served a pot filled with the soup of your choice, and then it's set atop a burner at your table where you cook this raw meat, and it only takes 10 to 15 seconds for each, and it's kind of like a grab and eat type of situation. And all this raw meat is fresh, and the waiter explains to you how to cook each. Some of this was raw, as you may have heard earlier, and I was a little afraid to try it, but it is so good. It literally tastes like ahi tuna. You've got to try it one of these days. I'm more of an adventurous eater, so if you're willing, try it out and you won't be disappointed. I don't want to get hit. Oh wow.
So that noodle I'm showing for that three-way, and you can show for that noodle.
Oh, sounds good. Thank you.
Put about 2 minutes and we'll be ready.
Okay.
2 minutes? Okay.
This is hers.
Oh, look at that. Thank you. Thank you.
Ashton, are you okay? You jealous?